First-class lever systems are arranged so that the fulcrum is between the effort and the load. Head extension is a good example of a first-class lever system. Here, the neck and the back muscles apply a force to move the head. The weight of the head is the load, and the fulcrum is the joint between the skull and the vertebrae. Second-class levers place the load between the pivot and the effort. The effort force needed is less than the load force, so there is a mechanical advantage. Plantar flexion is an example of a second-class lever in the body. Here, the ball of the foot is the fulcrum, the weight of the body is the load, and the contraction of the calf muscles provide a lifting force, or an effort. This type of system allows a small force to move a relatively large load. In fact, moving the force further away from the load increases the strength of the lever system. In the third class lever, the force of the effort is now located between the fulcrum and the force of the load. Third class lever systems are most common in the body and therefore are involved in a lot of our movements. For example, a bicep curl uses a third class lever system, as does hitting a ball with a racket or a bat, or at the knee when we kick a ball, or the hip when we run. Levers are normally used to make physical work easier, for example, to make it easier to move something that is heavy or to move something quickly. Levers can be used to magnify movement, for example, when kicking a ball, small contractions of the leg muscles produce a much larger movement at the end of the leg. Levers are able to give us a strength advantage or a movement advantage, but not both together.